Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to break chlorophyte in Terraria. To mine chlorophyte ore, you first need a very strong pickaxe. This special tool becomes available only after you have defeated the 3 mechanical bosses. Chlorophyte itself is found deep within the underground jungle, appearing as distinct green blocks. Getting the right equipment is your first step. The specific tools you need are either the pickaxe axe or the drax. Both of these powerful tools have a pickaxe power of 200%, which is essential for mining chlorophyte. You can craft either of these at a mithril anvil or an orichalcum anvil, once you have gathered the necessary materials. These are your go-to options for efficient chlorophyte mining. To craft your pickaxe axe or drax, you must first defeat all 3 mechanical bosses: the Destroyer, the Twins, and Skeletron Prime. From these bosses, you will collect hallowed bars and their unique souls. Combine a total of 18 hallowed bars with 6 souls of fright, 6 souls of might, and 6 souls of sight at an anvil to forge your powerful new pickaxe. Once you have your powerful pickaxe, head down into the underground jungle. Chlorophyte ore generates naturally there, often in veins. It's easily recognizable by its distinct bright green color. Remember, chlorophyte can actually grow and spread slowly in mud blocks within the jungle, so revisiting areas can yield more ore over time. Happy mining!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.